No way.
Babe, you came over and now she's leaving. Look what you did.
No, she'll come back.
Oh my god, she brought the babies.
No way.
Yeah, look at them.
Wow.
You guys are so cute. I'm having a baby soon too. When she's here, I'm gonna bring her here. She's gonna meet you guys.
I don't know, honey. Maybe.
Babe, we're doing it.
Well, it's been about a month with the baby. My wife's over there, and believe it or not, she's talking to the geese. She thinks the one from last month is here somewhere.
Oh, wow. Look.
She brought the babies again.
They're getting big.
You feeding them?